Assalamu alaikum students, I hope that you all will be alright. Let's start with the name of Allah, who is the perfect and giver of peace. Today we will do present continuous active voice and passive voice tense. The definition of present continuous tense is the present continuous tense is a tense which describes an action that is going on at the present time. Present continuous tense ऐसा tense है जो कि action को बयान करता है जो present time में हो रहा हो. Helping verb of present tense are is, are and am. Is will use with he, she and it. Are will use with you, they and we. Am will use with I. And the form of verb is first form of verb plus ing. For example, he is taking tea. He is not taking tea. This is our affirmative sentences, and in negative sentences we will use not with is, are, am or helping verb. In the interrogative sentences, we will place our helping verb in the start of the sentence. Is he taking tea? And after that, we will use question mark. Aleem is going to Karachi. Aleem is not going to Karachi. Is Aleem going to Karachi? This is our active voices, the active voice sentences. Now we will discuss our passive voice sentences. The rule of making passive voice sentences in the present continuous tense is subject plus is, are, am plus being plus third form of verb plus by and plus object. For example, Kaleem is beating her. She is being beaten by Kaleem. She is not being beaten by Kaleem. Is she being beaten by Kaleem? Firstly, we will translate our subject here in the active voice sentences. Kaleem is our subject and her is our object. In the passive voice sentences, as we know that we will change our object of active voice into subject in the passive voice sentences, and subject will change into object in the passive voice sentences. Then we will use our helping verb is, are and am according to the subject. Then put being. After that, after helping verb, we will use the word being followed by the third form of verb. Beat, beaten, beaten. By the third form of verb, now put there by followed by the object. Now we will use preposition of agent by and followed by the object, and after that we will use our object which is the subject of active voice sentences. For example, she is writing an invitation card. Invitation cards. Here invitation cards are plural, then we will use plural helping verb. Invitation cards here is our object and she is our subject, and in passive voice sentences she will change into object and invitation cards will change into subject. Invitation cards are being written by her. In negative sentences, invitation cards are not being written by her. Not will place between are and being. So student, this is our active voice and passive voice of present continuous tense. Now I am giving you some words for translate into English and change the voice. Translate into English. मूसलाधार बारिश हो रही है. मूसलाधार means cats and dogs. मैं तुम्हारा इंतज़ार कर रहा हूँ. चपरासी घंटी बजा रहा है. कुआं चल रहा है. वो बरगद के दरख्त के नीचे बैठे हैं. बरगद means banyan tree. Now change the voice of the following sentences. They were buying new clothes. He was making meal. They paint a picture. These are sentences that you will change into change the voice of the following, and the sentences that you will translate into English.